Namaste. Welcome to the Bombay Fort Heritage Walking Tour with Reality Tours and Travel. Walk through the heart of old Bombay, where history is still part of everyday life. Stroll past architectural gems like Regal Cinema, the Gateway of India and the hidden beauty of Ghoda's cultural institution, each revealing a different chapter of city's legacy. Discover the magnificent beauty of Mumbai University and its famous Rajabai Clock Tower, the buzzing energy around Churchgate and the quiet grace of St. Thomas Cathedral. Then, admire the Indian Gothic architectural brilliance at the General Post Office before arriving at the crowning jewel, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. This iconic terminus is a UNESCO World Heritage Site full of history and cinematic flair.
Multicultural, very sophisticated. I had no idea that it would be so interesting and beautiful.
Yeah, when you're walking around the fort area, literally every other building has got some amazing historic story to share. And I think having a guide is absolutely essential if you're going to get the most out of your trip to Bombay.
And it makes me feel quite good, and that's why I joined 5 of your tours, not just this one.
And remember, by joining this tour, you are not just exploring, you are making a real difference. 80% of our profit supports education and community program through our sister NGO Reality Gifts. Why just read about history when you can walk through it? Join our Bombay Fort Heritage Walking Tour and see the city's past come alive, one step at a time.